Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Gemini with the air elements. So bibigyan ko po kayo ng reading. This is for tinatawag sa loob ng 6 na buwan. Okay, yan. So ito po is kahapon is nagsimula ang tinatawag na eclipse, first eclipse. Okay, so ano ang tinatawag na eclipse in Leo, Gemini? It has something to do about your third house of communication and learning. Okay, yan. So ito yung tinatawag na third house of it's all about languages. Okay, maaring sabihin na nating you will go to school, okay, to learn another languages. Okay, let's sabihin natin na English, French, German, 'di ba, Spanish. It's more about gaining, 'di ba, knowledge. Yan ha. So maaring ito yung tinatawag communication. Okay, communication with your siblings, communication with your neighbors, communication with your friends, 'di ba? So meron din itong tinatawag learning. Maybe you will go back to school to learn, 'di ba? To learn something about sabihin na natin baka gusto niyo mag-aral ng bookkeeping, mga short courses, 'di ba? Like bookkeeping, hairdressing, 'di ba? Maaring sabihin na natin gusto mo mag-aral ng manicure, pedicure, o kaya yung tinatawag na it has something to do about cooking, 'di ba? Mga short courses. So ito it has something to do about ideas, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag you will mapupuno ka ng mga ideas, 'di ba? Maraming ideas na makikita ka. Okay, yan. So it has something to do about trade and commerce, 'di ba? Let's say gusto mong magbukas halimbawa ng tinatawag na negosyo, 'di ba? Sabihin na natin with your friends or with your siblings, 'di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito gusto mong gumawa ng pera, 'di ba? It's about your thoughts, 'di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin gusto mong magbukas, this is a good time to open social media, 'di ba? Like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na use your power. Ano ang inyong power? Ano ang inyong natural gifts, skills? It's about you are more on communication and thoughts and learnings, 'di ba? So it has something to do also about building friends, 'di ba? Yan. It has something to do about also about tinatawag factual memory, maaring may mga information, okay, mga tinatawag na opinions, okay, yan, ideas coming to you from people, let's say from friends, 'di ba? Yan. Kumbaga makakatulong ito sa inyo. May mga tinatawag na mga darating na mga information na ito is makakatulong sa inyong pag-unlad, 'di ba? Especially halimbawa sabihin na natin sa inyong trabaho, 'di ba? O kaya yung tinatawag na halimbawa if you want to learn something, go back to school, 'di ba? That is already tinatawag na knowledge, 'di ba? Yan. So ito yung tinatawag it's like ito na ang iyong time to shine, 'di ba? Be more courageous, be more bold, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag don't be intimidated by others. Yan, Gemini, okay? So kung halimbawa ano ang iyong tinatawag special gift, 'di ba? Special talent, discoveryhin nyo na, 'di ba? Kung halimbawa sabihin na natin you have a talent for singing, 'di ba? For sabihin na natin writing, 'di ba? Show it, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag you will shine, 'di ba? It's like all the spotlights on you. Yan na, all the spotlights ang nakikita ko sa inyo. So pwede itong magdala sa inyo sa tinatawag na wealth, tagumpay, success, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, you have a gift, 'di ba? You have a gift, develop it, 'di ba? Yan, para magamit mo ito. So ibig sabihin ito yung time to collaborate also to other people like friends, new people, with your siblings, 'di ba? A time for a tinatawag na ano tawag dito, mga magkakapatid, 'di ba? Yan. So it's more tinatawag na communication relationship. Yan ha. So that's I see for you. Okay, so ibig sabihin nito, kung may mga ideas kayo, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na, okay, share it. It's like to the family, to your siblings, di ba? Maybe i-share din nila sa inyo kung ano yung mga alam nilang ideas. So ito yung tinatawag na there is a short trip also. Okay, it's more about trip, di ba? It's like from home to school, from school to home, di ba? So maaring from home to library, from home to friend's house, di ba? It's more a lot of short trips na mangyayari. Okay, so that's it I see for you. It's like tinatawag na napaka more on tinatawag learning, productivity, and it's like tinatawag na showing yourself to the world, di ba? Expose yourself, be more visible, di ba? It's like tinatawag na you will, many people will learn from you. It's about time na wag niyong kip-kipin kung anong yaman, okay? Kung anong tinatawag na kagalingan meron kayo, di ba? It's like share it to the world. Kagaya niyan, it's like there is a microphone, di sabihin mo na, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's more about communication, learning, di ba? Trade and commerce, siblings, okay? Education sa loob ng tinatawag 6 months. Okay, so gamitin nyo ito, di ba? Yan. So, yan lang po ang aking reading for you. Okay?